Okay, come on in and take a seat. Let's get started. Sit anyway. Pass, speak, succeed. Eiken Pre-2 vocabulary for real speaking.
How to survive when your mind goes blank. You may already know some of these sentences, but knowing English and using it under pressure are not the same. Today, I'll show you how to survive the Eiken speaking test when your mind goes blank.
Today's goal: learn how to keep speaking even when you panic. In the Eiken test, silence is worse than simple English. Examiners want clear, safe sentences, not perfect grammar. These are not new sentences, these are survival sentences. The 5 survival sentences. Make sure you repeat each phrase after I say them 2 times. Number 1. I think that. I think that. Example. I think that studying English is important. I think that studying English is important. Common mistake. I think studying English important. Fix. I think studying English is important. Why? Without a verb, the sentence stops. Number 2. In my opinion. In my opinion. Example. In my opinion, students should study English. In my opinion, students should study English. Common mistake. In my opinion, students should study English. Fix. In my opinion, students should study English. Why? The comma shows the sentence is starting. Number 3. For example. For example. Example. For example, I study English after dinner. For example, I study English after dinner. Mistake. For example, I study English after dinner. Fix. For example, I study English after dinner. Why? The comma gives you a pause to think. This is important. Number 4. This is because. This is because. Example. This is because English is useful. This is because English is useful. Mistake. This because English is useful. Fix. This is because English is useful. Why? This always needs is. Number 5. I'm not sure, but. I'm not sure, but. Example. I'm not sure, but I think it's a good idea. I'm not sure, but I think it's a good idea. Mistake. I'm not sure, but I think is good idea. Fix. I'm not sure, but I think it's a good idea. Why? English needs a subject. It is the subject when we talk about an idea, situation, or opinion. Teaching tip. This is important. When you say good, important, or useful, you need it is before it. Examples. It is important. It is useful. It is a good idea. Is important. There is no subject. Why this matters for the test. Examiners listen for complete sentences. Missing subjects equals unclear English. It saves the sentence.
These sentences are safe. Safe sentences pass Eiken. Mia, is English important?
Use one of the survival sentences.
Oh yeah, thanks, Ken. I think that English is important. This is because it is useful.
That answer will pass. Same question, but use the phrase, you're not sure.
I'm not sure, but I think it is important because it is used by many people around the world to communicate.
That also passes.
What is worse in Eiken speaking? A. Simple English, or B. Silence? The answer is B. Silence. Next question. Which sentence gives you time to think? The answer is. For example, the final question is, Which sentence is safest when unsure? The answer is, I'm not sure, but... If you want ready-to-use survival answers, download today's worksheet. The link is in the description. Study with this channel, practice these survival sentences, and you will speak with confidence in Eiken Pre-2.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.